This video from Red Heart explains blocking. The process of blocking properly shapes the size of a handmade item. This is accomplished by relaxing the fibers using several techniques. Blocking boards are foam mats that work nicely. You will also need rust-proof pins. Pin the item to the mat. Use a tape measure to achieve the correct size. Spray the item with water. Some items need a light spraying. Other items need more. Let the item air dry. If the item has not responded to this method, you can try steam. Because heat might damage some fibers, it's best to hold the unit high above the fabric at first. Let the fabric air dry, then unpin the item from the mat. This video was brought to you by Red Heart at redheart.com.